Welcome back to Tech Fanatics. In today's video, we will guide you through the complete tire changing process using Tech Fanatics Tire Changer. Firstly, use the pressure gauge and knob to set the air pressure. Lift the knob up and set the air pressure between 6 to 8 bar. Now remove the valve stem to deflate the tire completely. The tire must have 0 air pressure before bead separation. Press the second pedal. Using the bead breaker, press the tire away from the rim. Repeat the process around the circumference until both sides of the bead are separated. Now place the wheel on the top of the machine and press the first pedal to lock the tire with the clamps securely. Now we take this arm and swing it in. We will lock it with the help of this knob. Insert the mounting head between the rim and tire bead. Next, we take this iron bar and place it against the mounting head. Press the third pedal. Activate the turntable rotation. And while pushing down on the opposite side of the tire, we bring out the leading lip with the help of this iron bar. The tire will smoothly lift and come off the rim. Position the new tire on the rim. Hold the bar at place and press the third pedal. Start the turntable rotation. The machine will efficiently guide the tire into place. Now go ahead and release the knob, which will take the mounting head off the rim. Unlock the wheel from the clamps. Put the vial stem back in and fill the tire with air pressure. Connect the digital gauge and inflate the tire to the manufacturer recommended pressure. Here we have our new tire,